We are going on a long hike. Come along with us. Right now we are walking on Talianwala Road, which is in Jhelum, Bilal Town Jhelum. Come along with us. We are on civil lines now. Been walking for like 10 to 15 minutes so far. There is a car being towed. So this is GTS Chowk. There used to be a bus stop for GTS. So this is Kent Chowk. So we are walking along GT Road, Grand Trunk Road. Drive slow during rain and fog. And that's where we want to go, which is about 2 kilometers ahead, McDonald's. Let's do it. Across the street is a cafe, pizza restaurant, and Subway. So I am standing on a new bridge. This bridge is on Jhelum River. This bridge connects city of Jhelum and city of Sarai Alamgir. Beautiful view. So this is a view of the Jhelum side. This is the river. You can see old bridge way back there. And on this side is city of Sarai Alamgir. This is Tulip Hotel, restaurant and banquet hall, very famous. We just crossed the bridge and now we're gonna go to McDonald's. So we got here at McDonald's after walking for 1 hour 36 minutes, covering 4.25 miles. All right, so here we are at McDonald's. Let's get in and get something to eat. All right, so here is our meal.